Hi, my name is Bruno Govato. I'm using Microsoft Hololens 2 to show you how can we create a very simple app for our toolbox of implants for prosthesis, reverse total shoulder arthroplasty, and how we can use this as a good tool for teaching each steps of a procedure and teaching each tool that is needed to do in each step. I'm going to show what I have done in very simple steps. So here I have my bed. This is just, imagine that this is the table. And here we can see that there is a QR code attached to this box, this toolbox. Imagine that this toolbox is an instrument full of different instruments for doing your surgery. So first step, we scan, so the device can know where it is in the space, okay? So you can change the toolbox in location. After you scan, you must place in the correct position. So here we have the first step that we can move and place wherever we want. For example, right here. So the step one, we have a picture of this toolbox. And here we have a arrow that follows the specific location of the implant. This arrow, these small dots that you are seeing in this video, they are very thin, but for my field of view, they are in space, they are 3D, so yeah, they are just this, and they are ending just like here, and they are saying that we have this wrench in 3D. I'm seeing this in 3D, and where the wrench is in the location, and here we have what we have to do, the step one. So let's go to the step two. The next step, we want to use the tool for the glenoid. This is just an example. Again, here we have the image of the toolbox. We have the small dots that are in 3D, and we are going to follow directly to this hammer. Okay, so it's falling directly to this hammer. So we are saying we have to use this hammer that is in this position to do some step. Here we have a 3D glenoid that we can see here. I'm seeing it as a hologram in 3D. I can see all around, and I can turn around. Now I'm going to do the step number 3. I'm just aiming to the arrow. And now we have the step number 3. I have a different picture of the toolbox. Again, we have the dots aiming to the hammer. We have this 3D arrow, as you can see here. This 3D arrow is aiming to another tool, showing exactly where we should find this another tool. We can see the dots, and here we have, for example, a step for placing a implant. We are looking this into a 3D way. This is a scapula, this is a volantis implant, and we can look directly how we can do, how it must be done in our field of view, and then we could do the procedure or do each step. So this is an example how 3D dynamic guides from Microsoft can help teach us in our surgery. Thank you for having this video. Bye bye. Stop video.